So now I've got to boil some of this in a pot on the stove, add my oats, cook them on medium heat until they soften, and then I'll add my pumpkin seeds, my chia seeds, and the dried craisins. Put in based on how hungry I feel. So I don't measure it. I think that's probably good. Really hungry. Okay, I should have looked this up. This smells like it's burning, and cashew milk apparently doesn't cook the same. Yikes. I hope it still tastes okay. But I'm going to add the oats, and I'm going to eyeball it as well, just based on how much milk is in there. Oh no. Shoot, it is burnt. Okay, plan B, I'm just going to taste it first. Oh no, it's like curds. Oh my gosh. Look at that. No. I'm hoping it doesn't taste burnt. This is a disaster. It's giving tryptophobia. Oh my gosh, I'm getting goosebumps. Ew. Okay. Let's assess the damage. Oh, hot. This is not milk. This is pudding. Y'all, I don't know. I didn't know why I thought cashews would be the same as... I'm gonna put the oats in it. It doesn't taste too bad. If I ever try this, I'm gonna have to look this up on the internet. But if I ever try it again, I will put it on a lower heat. Maybe I'll do overnight oats. I can't put it on the stove anymore. It's just, maybe the oats will soften up in this hot. Yeah, I'm gonna make oat pudding. It's gonna be great. It looks like yogurt. Looks like baby food. It's gonna be great. I feel like this would actually be good chilled. Maybe I'll put it in the fridge, but I have to eat this before the day's over so I can get my points in, because I'm supposed to have oatmeal 4 days out of the week. This is, by the way, a workbook I created. So I feel like a failure if I don't do it. Okay. Adding some cranberries, pumpkin seeds, whoa, that's way too many. So I have a cooking show, by the way. I've only made pancakes, and I made a meal with my friend for Halloween, and it went a lot better than this is going. Just learning as I go. But if you're interested in the cooking channel, it's right now it's called Mango Drip, but I might change the name. It looks nice. It looks good. I'm just gonna mix it all up. It's giving parfait. Yum. Ooh, this would be good chilled, actually. But you know what? I think I'll just eat it as is. Yeah, okay. It tastes good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it still tastes good. I like the texture. See, I was thinking the cashews would make it nice and creamy, and it did. Just note to self, cook it on a very low heat next time. With almond milk, you could just boil it, and then it starts to bubble up and go to the top of the pot, and then you turn it on like low, medium heat. Then you add the oats, and then it goes down. I really like the taste of the cashew milk. The cashew pudding. All right, well, this ended up being a success, flavor-wise, and I think you should try it. It's definitely giving yogurt vibes, the texture. It's nice and creamy. I feel like it would be good chilled, possibly. That being said, I don't know how the consistency might change if you chill it, but I think it's pretty good. It's a nice little alternative to regular oatmeal. I like it. And when I'm no longer, when I'm no longer doing the whole foods diet, I can add more stuff, but I don't know what else I'd add. I feel like this is really good. Yum. All right, cheers. You know what I'm picking up on? It tastes like cashew butter. So if you've ever had cashew butter, oh, that's good. That's good. And with the cranberries, it's kind of like having a cashew butter jelly sandwich in a way. Okay. Yes, I like this a lot.